This is a quick video on how to take a soda can and taking the top off so you can reuse tin for pen holder, or for, in my case, a smoke bomb. So the first thing you would do, take off the ring port. Okay. Then got a little holder that I made because I make quite a few of these. It also stops the tin from getting crushed when you're taking the top off. So that would go inside. Down to there, push it down a little bit further. Concrete. And then you just rub it back and forwards. A little bit longer. How much longer though? There we go. There's the top come off. And not sharp at all. Perfect. Just pop that back out again. And no dents on it. And there we go. Ready for the next video.